It's a Bissell Turbo Pass brush. Powerforce Turbo. And we've got a brush on the top. Looks like the canister needs to get cleaned out. It'll be the first time I'll plug it in, see if it starts up. Let's have a look at the brush bar. There's a lot of hair on the brush bar. Let's have a look. Oh, it's spinning too freely. That means the belt is burnt off. See how easy that is? But anyway, let's plug it in and see what kind of suction there is. I'm not even going to clean the canister until I start it up. Let's have a look. That noise is when it plugs up. Sounds okay. That's not possible. One little piece of paper. Let's have a look at the brush bar. Yeah, it's not spinning. But it's got good stuff in though. Here, let's get this off. Let's get this off. They could actually see that paper in there. Let's see if it goes. Yeah, it's spinning right around in there now. Well, let's have a look at the filter. Maybe that'll tell a different tale too. Filter down in here as well. That's supposed to be the HEPA filter or filter for the motor. That's not the main filter. The main filter should be up in here. There it is right there. Let's have a look. Piece of sponge. I should be wearing a mask for this, but I think the wind is going this way. Yeah. If you're gonna wash this out in the sink, put it out in the sun to dry, because you want this perfectly dry. It's got a little bit of dust, but nothing that would plug the machine. And same thing with this one here. You want to, well, there's nothing really in here, just a piece of fabric that came off the motor, so this can be washed out too. See, it's dusty. But today I'm going to take the brush bar apart, because I do have some belts. Here's the hose, and I'll put a little bit of grass in there, see if it'll suck it up. Oh, a little bit of, I can feel it. There. And if I turn around, there'll be grass inside the canister. See it there? So we know that that's working. So now I'll just I'll take the brush bar apart. And then this thing will need just a good cleaning. Canister, probably the brush bar, take the hair off. But anyway, there's a whole bunch of screws here I'm going to take off. Phillips. Got the screws out. Oh, that could get a good cleaning in the sink or a wash bin. Look at that. That's hair. That's hair and dust wound in here. You want to clean that out. And here's the belt. That's definitely hair. Look at it all. Clean that. There's the brush bar. Let's see if the bearings are actually good on it. Just hold it and spin it. There, they're good. So this is salvageable. What I do is I use a wire brush and I clean off the brushes on it. And you can also take the screws out here and you can wash this plastic piece and you disconnect the hose right there and wash that. But yeah, see, it's a good thing I'm wearing gloves. Yeah, that was wound around that motor. And wound around the belt. So this belt had, well, look at that. And that's what's inside there that you can't see until you take it apart. Well, I found a belt. It's got to be turned. Push it down in there. There. I'll start up without the cover, see what happens. Maybe it'll just fly up. All ready to go. Just needs a good cleaning and vacuum's a-okay. So that's what I found on the street, on the curb, because of this.